This video guides you through connecting your Android or Apple smartphone to your Opel Insignia B 2017-2023 infotainment system. We'll cover both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, enabling you to access navigation, media, and communication apps safely while driving. Ensure your phone is updated to at least Android 8.0 or iOS 12. First, ensure your smartphone is compatible and updated. The infotainment system screen shows navigation and controls. Use the touch screen to enable connections. Follow prompts to pair wirelessly or via USB for safe driving access. Android Auto wireless connectivity is available on most 2019 and newer Opel Insignia B models equipped with the multimedia Navi system. To connect wirelessly, first enable Bluetooth on your phone and pair it with the car's system. Then, on the car's infotainment screen, select Phone or Android Auto and follow the pairing prompts. If wireless connectivity doesn't work, or if you have an older model from 2017-2018, you can use a wired connection with a USB cable. Wired connections are very stable and reliable. Apple CarPlay on the Opel Insignia B primarily uses a wired USB connection. Ensure your iPhone runs iOS 12 or later for compatibility. Connect your iPhone to the car's USB port using a genuine Apple Lightning cable. The system will automatically detect your iPhone and launch CarPlay. Use the touchscreen or steering wheel controls and say, "Hey Siri" for voice commands. Once connected to Android Auto, you can use the touchscreen or steering wheel controls to access apps like Google Maps, Spotify, or WhatsApp. Voice commands via "Hey Google" allow for hands-free operation, minimizing distractions. With Apple CarPlay, the interface mirrors your iPhone's familiar layout on the Opel Insignia B's infotainment screen. This creates a seamless experience where your phone's apps appear directly on the car's display. Use the touchscreen to interact with apps. For example, tap to access Apple Maps for turn-by-turn directions, just like on your phone. Siri voice commands enhance usability. Say, "Hey Siri" to play music on Apple Music, send messages, or get directions hands-free. For added safety, steering wheel controls enable basic navigation of the interface without taking your eyes off the road. If you're experiencing connection issues with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your Opel Insignia B, start by ensuring your smartphone's operating system and relevant apps are fully up to date. This addresses compatibility problems that can prevent proper pairing. Next, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system. This simple step can resolve temporary glitches like Bluetooth pairing failures or app crashes that occur during connectivity. For persistent issues that don't resolve with basic restarts, visit your Opel dealer to check for available firmware updates. These updates, often delivered over the air, can fix wireless connectivity bugs and improve overall system performance. As a final troubleshooting step, reset the infotainment system by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This can clear software glitches and restore default settings, though you'll need to repair your phone afterward. Remember to always perform these troubleshooting steps when your vehicle is safely parked, never while driving. If problems continue after trying these solutions, contact Opel support for further assistance. For optimal compatibility with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, keep your Opel Insignia B's firmware updated. Opel provides over-the-air updates that enhance connectivity and fix issues. Over-the-air updates allow your car's system to receive improvements wirelessly, including better wireless connectivity for Android Auto. Check for updates regularly through the System Settings menu, or contact your Opel dealer for dealer-installed updates. The latest 2025 firmware update to version 3.1.x improved connection speeds and overall reliability for smartphone features. The automotive industry is moving towards fully wireless smartphone integration. Stellantis, Opel's parent company, is actively developing full wireless Apple CarPlay support for Insignia B models. Future updates will bring AI assistants that enhance voice control and create more personalized driving experiences. Stay tuned for these exciting developments.